What's going on, guys? Dollar D. Today we are unboxing the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. Fresh from Adidas this morning, or as the Yanks call it, Adidas. Really excited to get these. I put my name down for the initial release about a month and a half ago. It didn't get picked. But then Adidas reached out to me and said they had some. So I signed up and got some. Here they are, the 350 V2s in Citrin, Yeezy Boost, Kanye West. Oh, they look beautiful. Pretty fly. They feel good. Real comfy. Nice color. Actually super comfy. Damn, these look good. There they are, guys. Make sure you subscribe.